another video. Today we are getting into a couple of days in my life. Today is Wednesday, June 8th, and it's like 10:15. I'm working right now. I work in clinical research, pharmaceutical and medical devices as an associate project manager, and I just started this job like 2 months ago this week. And so like I've been getting all my portfolios and my projects and like figuring out who my clients are, and Lord have mercy, do I miss the downtime already. So today I'll probably, thankfully my client meetings for today have been canceled. So I think I'm gonna go to the library today and work from there in a little bit, because just to give me somewhere new to work from and it's quiet there. And also I need to get a new book. I just finished reading Shallow Waters and it's so good, so good. So I'm gonna return that and then pick up something different. I have my to-do list for today, today and the rest of the week probably. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Sometimes I like to do like a working lunch where I can kind of finish up my work early and kind of have the rest of the day to myself. But today I decided that I'm just going to take some time to start reading this new book that I picked up, Black Girls Must Die Exhausted. And then I'm just having like my own DIY Cava bowl. And then I'm trying out this new GT Synergy Spring Edition Bloom. It's elderflower and jasmine violet. So we'll see how good it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna take some time and read my book and enjoy my lunch. All right, I'm about to head to Pilates at Club Pilates. It's my first time doing Pilates, so pray for me. But I hear that it's what all the girls are into right now, and it's getting their body right and snatched for summer. So I'm gonna go give it a try. I'm wearing like my girlfriend set because their clothes are like super comfortable. The lady did tell me I had to wear like long leggings, and so instead of shorts, and then also their clothes make me feel confident. So even if I suck at Pilates, at least I'll feel good and look good doing it. But I'll let you guys know how my experience is, and like if I like it, if I'll keep doing it, and I'll share and try to like share and film the time while I'm there as much as I can. But I will see you guys at the studio. I just got back from Pilates and I wanted to share with you guys like my experience. I went to Club Pilates. It's my first time doing Pilates, and it was just an intro class for like 30 minutes, so I wasn't able to like film a lot because I actually have zero experience in Pilates, so I kind of wanted to make sure I was good to go and not looking too crazy. But I really liked it. It was like a 30-minute intro class, and we kind of went through all the different muscle groups. We did like core, we did legs, upper body, a little bit of cardio as well. They also have the, I think they're called the reformers, where you like lay on that machine and it kind of like moves with you, like has like a carriage or whatever. We did a little bit of bar, that was nice, and then that was it. So I did end up getting So I did end up getting a Pilates membership. So they do like 3 different packages, and then they have like drop-in classes. And so I did the 4 classes a month for $89. The company that I work for now, they're really big on health and wellness. So they give us a stipend to do like whatever we want, like as far as like health and wellness. So if you want to go to the gym, yoga, Pilates, run a marathon, there's money that covers that. Like mental health apps, so like Calm and like all that stuff. So I went ahead and signed up for Pilates. But I wanted to show you guys the things that I ordered over the last week, or I got. So let me share with you my books first. So I went to the library yesterday and I picked up 2 new books. So I got Black Girls Must Die Exhausted, a novel for grown-ups by Jane Allen. I actually have no idea really what this book is about. I don't really read the summaries or synopsis of books because I feel like they end up ruining them for me. So I kind of just read like the initial tagline and then decide from there if I want to pick it up or not. And then The Night Visitor, I picked up by Carol Goodman. It's like I think it's like a thriller book. And then I got this super cute set from I Was Influenced via Instagram. And I picked up this really cute set by Jubilee. I got it in this mocha chocolate color. I really love this color. It's like a waffle texture, and it had like matching shorts as well. I got them both in a small, but I think next time I'll probably get a medium in the bottom so they can be super, super oversized. Why didn't anyone tell me that Milani was so good? I picked up a blush and like a highlighting duo, and I've already started using. I feel like this blush is like the perfect shade. So the highlighter is Spark Plug, and then it's a cream powder. One's a cream and one's a powder. And then I have the blush in Spiced Rose, and it's a powder blush. And I feel like it's like perfect for giving me like a nice glowy bronzy look between the 2 of them. And then I ordered some stuff for work, for like my work from home setup. So I ordered a stand for my laptop to go on to kind of elevate it up to eye level. And then I ordered an acrylic stand for my an acrylic stand for my monitor. So I just have to put this together. So like, I guess the way it's gonna sit is like this, or like this maybe, yeah, probably like this. And then like my laptops will sit on top of that. Then I have to order a keyboard as well. That way I can use, I was thinking about just ordering a second monitor, but I'll figure that out once I put these together, how much space I'll have. But I want my desk to be so crowded where I can't even like write, because I'm still like a person that kind of still hand writes things. And this is the acrylic stand. But yeah, for the Pilates, they do different classes. So they have like a class that's like for balance, flexibility. They do cardio. Because they're a new location, they were saying like I do have to like book out in advance. So I got like the app where you can kind of just book out your classes. So they have the completely unlimited, which is like, I don't know if the prices may vary based on where you are, but here in Raleigh, the prices are $200 a month for the unlimited. And I already know that I wasn't going to do $200 for unlimited, and then completely unlimited. And then there was like another package underneath it, which I think is like $180 or something. And I think you get like 3 to 4 classes a week. And then there was the package that I did, which is 4 times a month for $89. And there had drop-in classes at $35 each. And I already knew that a drop-in class, I might as well just pay for the 4 times a month situation, because I wanted to go obviously more than just once. But is this my stand? This is it. It's a little small. My monitor is supposed to sit on this. So when I set this up, I'll let you guys see it. But Yeah, they were saying that they recommend that you go at least twice a week, but I also go to the gym and I go to yoga. So I had to decide like if I wanted to do another yoga membership or Pilates. And then you get 20% off your membership if you do one of the unlimited packages. And then they waive the enrollment fee, which is $99 usually. And that's like the special promo that they had. Good morning. Today is Saturday. We're getting ready to get out and about. It's gonna be like 85 degrees today, so we're gonna head to like a pop-up event. I have to go to the post office before we go there and then go strawberry picking. I've only picked strawberries once since living in North Carolina, and I've been here like 3 years now, and I should have been doing it the entire time. Like, they're so much better than store-bought berries, but that's all I have planned for today, at least as of right now. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and try to get this hair to do what it needs to do. I got my hair straightened and it's not lasting at all. My hair does not do humidity and I don't feel like washing it right now, so there's that. But I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will see you guys at the event. All right, so this is what I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna wear my Matcha girlfriend set. I have a tote bag. I'm gonna bring this white button up thrown over my arms. And then I have on my Yeezy 500s and these glasses with my rings that I always wear. I need to go get my nails done. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some water in the berry basket holder and head to the post office before the pop-up.
Say hello. I just woke up from my nap.
So I'm back home from the pop-up event. My hair held up pretty well. It is starting to fall down a bit, but it served its purpose for today. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up today. So I got these Buzy Bake Shop cupcakes. I got one Oreo and one red velvet. I'm not going to eat them until later, but I'll show you guys what they look like. Look at that. Yum. Oh, they smell so good. So I got two for $7.50, I think. I'll try to like find the website and link it down below in case you're in the area, you want to try them out. And then I also picked up some body butter. This is like a black-owned brand called Soul Sisters Body Essential Lemongrass Body Butter, organic, vegan, cruelty-free, and it has really clean ingredients, so I was really happy about that. So I picked it up. And they were doing 2 for $25, 2 for $27, I think. It smells so good. It was a woman out there. She does like body care, facial care, hair care products as well. Her husband was out there supporting her and helping her sell her products, which I really loved seeing. And then here's their card. I'll link them down below, but yeah. They do deliver and they do shipping as well, so I'll have that link down below. And then I also picked up some crystals from a crystal shop. Did I put her card in here? From the woven, I think it's the woven Willow. So I picked up the little cards that tells you like which each crystal is. and what they're for. But I got black obsidian, which is this one. And then I got a jade, which is this one. And then I picked up fluorite, which is this one. So, and they were only, I think I spent, so the 4, 8, 9, 10, 13, I think I spent like $15 for, so I think with tax, I think it was only like $13.50 or something like that. But yeah, she had the cards that tell you like what they mean and how to use them, and a mantra that goes with them, and then like what chakra goes along with it. And then also I had an iced coffee from one of my favorite coffee shops that's Black owned, BU Cafe. They have a second location inside of the Boxyard RTP. And then I also went to, I think it's called NC Bulgogi, because they have like beef bulgogi and Korean barbecue and all that stuff like that. And it was so good. We got like a spicy beef bulgogi, and it was so good, so good. But yeah, that's all that I got from today. I was gonna go pick strawberries today, but it's actually starting to get a little gloomy out because it's gonna rain a little bit. So I'm probably just gonna hang out here and read some of my books. So I'll check in with you guys a little later. You can come on. Come on. Good morning, good afternoon. I think it's almost noon. Today is Sunday and I'm getting ready to go pick strawberries before it rains, or they're calling for rain today. And I'm just gonna wear this sundress that I got from H&M like probably like over 5 years ago. And my hair in this really messed up ponytail. I took a really long nap after the pop-up shop yesterday and I slept with the bun in my hair. And so my hair is all over, but I'm not straightening it again. I'm getting ready to wash it. But yeah, I'm about to head out to the strawberry patch, so I will see you guys there.